Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding 24 by 7. My name is Harshit and this is the fourth lecture in the series of Python programming. In this particular session, we will learn a script mode in detail. So without any further delay, let's begin. So guys, as in the last session, we were discussing interactive mode, but the main problem in interactive mode is that Python interpreter only interprets a single line at once. That's the biggest drawback of this mode. For executing n number of lines with multiple operations, all you need is to use script mode. So let's see what is script mode. If you need to write a long piece of Python code, interactive mode is not recommended. Script mode is more suitable in such cases. In script mode, you can write whole lots of Python code in a text file, save it with .py extension, and then executes all Python codes at once. To execute, press Alt plus F5. So after a fair understanding of a script mode, let's try one example. In script mode, first of all, you need to write your code in a text editor. For writing purpose, you can use any text editor, for example, Atom, Beam, Notepad++, etc. with your own convenience. In this example, I am going to use my favorite text editor, Notepad++. So don't worry guys, you can easily download it from the internet. Now I am going to open Notepad++. You can see here. Let's write some piece of code. Alright, to save this file you can use Ctrl+S. Now choose the file location where you want to save it. I have selected desktop. Name this file with .py extension in short for Python file. So I name this file test.py. Now save it. So guys, you can see over here file test.py. Now it's time to run this file. For that you need to right click on it. Click on edit with IDLE. So guys, you can see that this file has been opened in script mode, and at the top you can also see the location of your file. To run this file, just press Alt plus F5. So you can see here is the output. So this is all for the today's session. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.